morning, good morning, good morning. Sunday I posted it on Facebook and I got a great response to my post, which said, "You can't tell it, let me tell it." It was a tremendous response to that post. And no, I'll come get my breakfast. Okay. My son is making breakfast for me. And I lost my train of thought. It started me thinking about what God is to me and to everyone else. It also took me back to August, my birthday, when everybody in my family usually tells me I am kind, I am loving, I do this for that person, I do this for that person. So on my birthday, we had a Zoom party. And I threw a monkey wrench into things, and that I did not want them to talk about what I was to them, but I wanted them to talk about what they are to me. Because I wanted them to know that just as I feed into them, they feed into me. And so that's what my focus is today. We all know what God is to us, or I'm going to say those people that have a relationship with God know. But what are you doing in this world to show that God is that to you? How are you showing the love of God to others? How are we showing the love of God to others? What can we do so that others will know that God lives in you? And that's my question for you today. This is a really quick video as I prepare for my Q&A video. My Q&A video may be broken into two parts because I have several questions. I have questions about Sisterlocks, questions about family, questions about my career, and I don't want it to be too long. And as a matter of fact, you've helped me to be able to fill in 2 days of Vlogmas, and I am very appreciative of that. But for this day, I want you to answer the question within yourselves and also in the comment. What am I doing to share what God is to me with others? And if I could put this question in a simpler way, it would be, what am I doing to share the love of God or show the love of God to others? This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God because He has been so good to me. And He keeps on showing Himself over and over and over and over again. Have a great day.